Looks like it's a rainy day today. I might not be able to go to the church to get that soup and the Cheetos. I don't know. I mean, it's only 9:30. Things could change by 10:30. It's only an hour away. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see what happens by then. But yeah, like they might not even be open. And that doesn't look like rain. I think it's snowing. That's bad. That's really, really bad. I don't know. It's not as bad as it could be, but, whatever. And it's a Jets game, right? So it'll give me a chance to wear my jersey again. Yay. That'll protect me from the rain and the snow and whatever. I don't know. It kind of does look like snow. Wow. That's crazy. I'll keep you informed on that. I decided to change into a warmer shirt, long sleeves. Exactly. Before I left home, before I locked my computer, it said that the rain was going to stop soon. So, hopefully it'll stop by the time I get there. I don't know. It all depends. And it even depends on if they're even open or not today because of the rain. Who knows? Well, I guess they are open. Not many people though, so shouldn't take too long to go through the lineup. Pizza bread. That was good. That was really good. But yeah, seems like the rain has stopped, but it's still cold out here. I'm gonna have my soup and then I guess head home. Yeah, I got the Cheetos, so that's good. I don't know. Yeah, I kind of woke up this morning craving them, so I'm glad I was able to get them. Well, it cleared up. It's a lot nicer now than it was earlier. It's not raining anymore. It's really nice. And yeah, I knew it would stop, but I just didn't know when. I guess it stopped when I was inside the church. Well, yeah, because it was still raining when I was waiting. And then after I got the soup and everything, I walked out and it wasn't raining. So it must have stopped while I was in there. But anyway, I'm on my way home and I don't know what I'm gonna do. Probably just sit there and watch YouTube videos and do surveys and whatnot. I don't know. It's Tuesday. I got nothing planned. So, yeah. Totally forgot. I got the Cheetos. But yeah, totally forgot. I'm still watching Cars 2. I've got, I guess, about 47 minutes left in that. Then I'll start watching the YouTube videos. But yeah, it's just going to be a boring day from now on. I don't know what I'm going to do next, but I'll be back. Something might come up. I don't know. Holy crap. It's only 6:30 and it's like super dark out already. Well, not super dark, but it's getting there. Yeah. How can you tell the time's gonna change soon? Yeah, we fall back an hour. Um, I believe it will be November 3rd that the time actually changes. But from, I'd say, about a week ago until November 3rd, it's going to be dark earlier and nothing we can do about it. But when the clocks go back an hour, then it'll be lighter earlier. So yeah. So I won't have to wait an hour before doing my podcast in the morning. So I've been doing that lately, waiting at least an hour after I wake up because it's so dark out at 7 o'clock in the morning, right? And it only started about a week ago, so. But after the 3rd, right, when I wake up at 7 in the morning on the 4th to do my podcast, I probably won't have to wait an hour because it'll be light out already. Because putting the clocks back will trick everything into thinking it's 7 o'clock when it's actually 6 o'clock. Ooh, yeah. Wow. So it'll be earlier. So we'll be losing an hour of sleep. Ah, crap. That means I gotta go to sleep at 1 instead of 2. Yeah. Oh man, and the clocks turn back at 2. So yeah, if I wait until 2, then it'll automatically be 1, and then instinct will kick in and I'll want to stay up an extra hour when I know that I can't. No, wait, no, because it doesn't change that night. It changes the Saturday night, Sunday morning, right? So it would have already been back an hour. So that's okay. That's okay. It's just Saturday night. I'll have to go to sleep before 2 o'clock, before the time goes back. That way, I'll actually get a good night's sleep. Yeah. So that would be the smart thing to do, right? Because if your clocks go back an hour, at 2 a.m. on November 3rd, well, it would be November 2nd, November 3rd, that night, the best thing to do is go to sleep an hour before you usually do. That way you won't lose that hour of sleep. Yeah. Yeah. Follow my advice. I'm actually smart. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully it won't be so out of focus. Trying to focus, man. I don't know, I'm weird. Prove me wrong. And in case you're wondering, the Jets won their 6th game in a row. They're still undefeated in the NHL. And I earned 50 points on the Tim Hortons app, so I'm getting a free coffee tomorrow. Yep. I'll be back tomorrow.